turn.
Today we're going to be making bird feeders. All right. So we're going to be making bird feeders for the birds. And you can make them at home. So what we're going to do, we're going to use toilet paper rolls. Toilet paper rolls. And we're going to use string. And we can also use craft sticks. But today we're going to be using our hands with the Crisco.
So when we make the bird feeders, you can use a variety of different foods to get the bird seed to stick onto your toilet paper roll. You can use peanut butter, or if someone like me who has nut allergies cannot use peanut butter, you can use Crisco or icing or something with a thick consistency to stick onto your toilet paper roll. So what we're going to do is we're going to take your toilet paper roll and you're going to put your string through the toilet paper roll and tie it in a knot like this.
Ooh, this is fun. All right. Ooh, get a knot right there. And you can make them long or short.
Yes. All right. And once you have done that, we're going to grab some Crisco and spread it all over the toilet paper roll.
Ooh.
Make sure you get a nice even coat around the whole thing to get as much bird seed to stick as possible.
Woo. That's fun.
Good job.
Okay.
All right. Once you do that, you can begin to roll your toilet paper roll into your bird seed.
Let's do it together. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Woo!
Roll, 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 roll.
Here
Roll
we
it
go.
back. Roll, roll, roll.
Get a nice even coat.
Boom. Here's our
Bird
bird
feeders.
feeders. So make sure you subscribe below.
Thanks
you.
for watching.
Woo.
Woo! Like